Imagine saving thousands of shillings on fuel only to come and start spending hundreds of thousands on replacing an electric car's battery. As electric car owners are increasing and even the cars themselves are increasing, there's one question most car owners need to ask themselves. Is my insurance ready to cover them?
Electric vehicles are changing how we move in Kenya. But is your insurance keeping up? Welcome to episode 1 of Step by Step Insurance's Explainer series. In this episode, Moses, an insurance advisor at Step by Step Insurance, breaks down 3 key things every EV owner should consider when choosing the right cover.
Here are 3 key points you need to look at when choosing the right coverage for yourself. Point number 1, electric vehicles have more specialized components. Unlike your traditional fuel vehicles, electric vehicles heavily rely on batteries, charging systems, and even advanced electronics. These components are very expensive to replace or even repair. So choosing one coverage that can be able to cater for all this is very key for you. Point number 2, comprehensive cover is more important than ever. When choosing a good policy, you should check that they are able to adapt to the current systems, able to cover you against damages, theft, accidents, fire, or any other actual risk that you have. As the electronic vehicle adoption is growing currently, you need to look at what your policy entails, what you are covered against, what you're not covered against, and any other hidden details that you need to actually understand before taking up the policy. And point number 3, consider your charging environment. Whether you charge your car at home, at work, or even public charging stations, there are risks that come with the charging equipment and the electrical systems. These are key considerations you actually need to talk to your insurer about before taking up a policy. Electric vehicles are shaping the future of mobility in Kenya, and you need to learn to be able to stay up to trend with that, and also your insurance is ready for that. Speak to our team today to review your motor insurance and also to protect your investment with confidence.